Dear students, welcome to my channel. Now we see a program to merge two files into third file. So here we require three file pointers. First two file pointers for reading, third file pointer is for writing. Now we declare three file pointers, that is file fr1 comma fr2 then fw. Declared three file pointers. Here I am going to read two files from the user. For that, char file1 then file2 then I am declaring one more character called ch. So here I am going to read those two files from the user. For printf enter first file scanf format specifier comma file1. Again I am reading second file from the user. Printf enter second file scanf format specifier file2. Now we should open the three files first of all. fr1 equals to fopen of, mention the first file as file1. So whenever you are reading from the user, then you need not to put in double quotes, okay, comma, and we should open in read mode because we are reading the data and we are going to copy the data to the third file. If the problem with opening a file, then we are going to message as if fr1 equals to null, then printf unable to open file1, then terminate with exit. And likewise we have to open second file fr2 equals to fopen of, what is the second file? File 2 comma, we should open in read mode, and then if fr2 equals to null, then printf unable to open file 2, then terminate with exit. In the similar way, we need to open third file, that is fw equals to fopen of, I am mentioning my file name as m merge dot, otherwise m dot txt, and then I am opening in append mode. When you open any file with append mode, then it opens that particular file and it starts writing new content to the file from the end of the file. And then if there is any problem with the file, then I am going to print message called fw equals to null. Then you are going to print message called printf unable to open third file, that is file 3, then terminate with exit. Now we need to copy first file to third file and second file to third file. For that, while ch equals to fgetC function is used to read a character from the file, from where we need to read fr1 up to where, up to end of the file, end of the file. Now we give the spaces in between them so that you can understand easily. Now to where we have to copy, to where we have to write, and then by using a put C, which is used to write a single character to the file. So that ch character to fw points to the third file. In the similar way, we need to copy third file, second file to third file, while ch equals to fgetC of fr2 is not equals to end of the file, then I put C of that ch character to fw, then we are going to print message called file data matched successfully, and we need to close all the files by using fclose function. fr1, then fclose of fr2, then fclose of fw. So what happens here means we take an example with 3 files. Assume that this is a.txt file. Assume that this is p dot and then I'm going to take third file as abc txt file, abc.txt file. fr1 points to the a.txt, fr2 points to the b.txt, and then fw file pointer points to the abc.txt file. Now we see what happens. So here we are reading one character from which file? From fr1. fr points to a.txt. Assume that the data, the content is high in a.txt and hello in b.txt file. Okay, so what is the first character in a.txt? H. H will be stored in ch character. Which character? H will be stored in ch character. That H will be copied to third file, that is fw. fw points to abc.txt. Then H will be copied to the third file. And next, similarly, it is not end of the file, right? Because here two characters are there. So first character after copying first character, then file pointer moves to the next character. What is that? Next is I. Then I will be stored in this variable. What is that variable? Ch variable. That ch variable, that I will be copied to the fw. Fw points to the abc.txt. Then I will be copied here. So then it meets end of the file. Then it terminates the loop and comes to the next statement called, again it has while loop. Then it points to the second file now. What is the second file? fr2. So fr2 has consist of data called, what is the first character? H will be stored in ch character. That ch character will be copied to the next fw, that is abc.txt. H will be copied like this, e will be copied likewise, then L will be copied, again L will be copied, then O will be copied, then it meets end of the file, then it comes out of the loop and prints the message called data merged successfully. Then we are closing all these files. Now we will see the output. Now it is asking for file 1. I am mentioning file 1 as f1.c, file 2 as employee.txt text file. Then it is displaying messages file merged successfully. Now we try to open that file. What is our file? m.txt. See here, what is the first file? f1.txt will be copied, and then f2 dot emp.txt file has the data like this.